in line with the State of Kuwait's development plan and in accordance with the new Kuwait Vision 2035. The country is witnessing a series of new and huge projects in an effort to transform the state of Kuwait into a financial and a commercial center, where the private sector leads the economy, creating competition and promoting production efficiency under the umbrella of a supporting institutional body, which highlights national values, preserves social identity, and achieves social development. The Public Authority for Housing Welfare is currently undertaking a massive residential project east of the city of Sabah Al-Ahmad, located on the southern side of the country with an area of 120 hectares under the name East Sabah Al-Ahmad. Work on this project is well underway. The project started in November 2021 and is expected to provide about 1,187 residents in April 2024 at a total cost of 137 million Kuwaiti dinars.
We are here in East Sabah Al-Ahmad project. This project is in Sabah Al-Ahmad area. It's a new project. This project is around 1,187 villas. It has many components. There will be villas, there will be a mosque, there will be medical centers, and of course the infrastructure. This project started in November 2021. And it's supposed to finish in 900 days. It will be finishing in April 2024. The project is divided into two different contracts. One contract is for 587 villas and the other contract is for around 597 villas. The total amount of the value of this project is around 137 million Kuwaiti dinar. Each contract separately, one contract will be around 68 million Kuwaiti dinar and the other contract will be around 46 million Kuwaiti dinar. Each house of these is on a plot 300 meters square. This is a very enough spacey land which can help us make this design and build these houses in a way that gives all the facilities that the family needs for the Kuwaiti and maybe with some extra space.
The design and land of the residences will be 300 square meters, while the construction area will be 414 square meters. The components of the ground floor include a diwania, lounge, dining room, kitchen, and rooms for staff and domestic workers, including their own bathrooms, in addition to a washroom. The first floor of the residence will include 4 master bedrooms and a lounge.
We have different type of villas. Each villa has a different design. Each of them has 2 stories. Ground floor. Ground floor is designed to comfort the Kuwaiti citizens and their needs. For example, we have a big living room. We have on the ground floor, we have diwania. We have a laundry room for the first time. We have a driver room, we have a maid room, and of course the kitchen. This is a ground floor with a separated entrance for the diwania, for the privacy. In the first floor, we have 4 master rooms. Each room has its own toilet, and there is a small living room for the family. And all it's designed to be very comfortable, very modern, very new design in which can make everyone feel comfortable and happy with the design and with the facilities inside the building.
The Public Authority for Housing Welfare revealed that the components of the East Residential City of Sabah Al-Ahmad project will include mosques, shops, a petrol station, a central submarket, a public health center, sites for a bank branch, and a power station. The Public Authority for Housing Welfare is keen to provide decent residential care to citizens, and that the design of the houses took into account the needs of the Kuwaiti family to be equipped with all its components and basic needs with excellent spaces. The states conceptualized a vision of a new Kuwait by 2035. Work is currently underway to mobilize all efforts in order to achieve the objectives of the development plan, which includes developing and modernizing the national infrastructure to improve the quality of life for all citizens and residents. Kuwait 2035 vision promotes existing values, human resource development, adequate infrastructure, advanced legislation, and inspiring business environments. One of the 7 main pillars of the development plan is a sustainable living environment, and to ensure the availability of living accommodation through environmentally sound resources and tactics.
For our exterior finishing to our governmental houses, we combined both the facade stone and soft sigma paint to give it more of an aesthetic look to our citizens. We actually used the mechanical method to install the facade stone to ensure its safety for long term, for the safety of our citizens. And for our interior finishing, we actually used the porcelain tiles instead of the ceramic, because porcelain is much more stronger and have high value water resistance, and it's not absorption for raw materials.
The residences currently being built have very detailed specifications, such as the suspension systems. The current system is fire rated and complies with the fire department's specification. For example, the gypsum boards used in the project are fire rated and water resistant. In addition to the aluminum system, which fully complies with energy conservation specifications.
Actually, for our suspension system is fire rated according to our project specification, and also complying with the fire department specification to ensure the safety of our citizens. And the gypsum board that is actually used within the suspension system is also fire rated and water resistance, with consideration of the finishing paint, which water resistance paint is used in the high humid areas within the house, such as the kitchen and the bathroom. And for our aluminum system, we actually use the double glazed glass and anodized painting to fully comply with our energy conservation specification, where it implies having a maximum thermal conductivity value to ensure heat reduction.
The project is currently developing its surrounding roads with clear and commendable efforts by the Ministry of Public Works through the Roads and Land Transport Authority. The residential units of the project will be for those wishing to live appropriately according to the specified controls from Kuwait municipality.
Infrastructure networks are divided into several networks, such as water supply, irrigation, electrical, road, stormwater, and sewage. In this project, all these networks will connect the main buildings and houses with the existing roads and networks according to the contract documents.
The East Sabah Al-Ahmad project is just part of the large infrastructure and residential projects that the government is undertaking in line with the new Kuwait Vision 2035. A sustainable living environment is of prime importance for the well-being of Kuwait's population. and East Sabah Al-Ahmad project ensures the availability of living accommodation through environmentally sound resources and tactics. The state's conceptualized vision of a new Kuwait by 2035. Work is currently underway to mobilize all efforts in order to achieve the objectives of the development plan across 7 main pillars to transform Kuwait into a leading regional financial, commercial, and a cultural hub by 2035.